guys. Wait lang. So guys, mag-vlog ako. Like and subscribe kayo. Hindi ko na namit yung dream kanto ko na. Sabi ko. So guys, pwede po like and subscribe kayo. In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great job. Wait lang guys. Short lang to guys ah. Matagal na short.